Mr. President, before we continue, we have guests from the gallery, guests of Senator Joel Villanueva, the Anti-Corruption Civil Movement General Federation, led by Uyon Dioko, World President, World Anti-Corruption Civil Movement General Federation, and Reverend Dr. Joshua Manju Kim, President for Central Luzon. Guests of Senator Alan Cayetano, PUP University President Dr. Manuel Muhi, together with Dr. Emmanuel de Guzman, Executive Vice President for Headquarters Affairs, Attorney Joanna Marie Liao, Chief Legal Counsels, officials from GMA Cavite, led by Board Member Francisco Paulo Crisostomo, Kapitan Arian Ramos, Kagawad Christine Tirona, Kagawad Mirasol Polangi, Kagawad Edgar Libres, SK Federation RV Coronel, a guest of this representation from the BHW party list, of course, Congresswoman Angelica Natasha Co, together with the regional and provincial presidents of the BHW Federation, led by Zeni Pulido, Mirna Gaite, Divina Pacoy, Maribet Cayabyab, Digna Cortez, Edna Pitagan, Eva Hilario, Maria Cagastahan, and likewise, Mr. President, let us also greet our colleague, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, a happy birthday. So I'd like to a request for a minute suspension for us to be able to greet our colleague.
Before the chair suspends the session, chair would like to once again welcome our visitors from South Korea, from the World Integrity Prize, from the Anti-Corruption Civil Movement General Federation. We likewise would like to take this opportunity to commend Senator Joel Villanueva, who was given the World Integrity Prize by the aforementioned organization. This honor befits Senator Villanueva, who has constantly fought to restore accountability and dignity in government service throughout his more than 2 decades in public service. Senator Joel has held accountable many officials who dare transgress the Lord's command not to steal nor covet. In all of his work, Senator Joel honors the greatness of the Lord, who casts down upon the corrupt, feeds the hungry, and empowers the poor. On behalf of the Senate, congratulations, our dear Senator Joel Villanueva, and thank you for your unwavering integrity and commitment to accountability and your fight against corruption in the name of our Lord and in the name of the Filipino people. Senator Zubiri, what is the pleasure of the Honorable Zubiri?
Yes, Mr. President, I'd just like to second your
gentleman,
praise.
proceed.
Thank you very much. Your praise and honor to the man who's well overdue of this honor and praise of being a anti-corruption advocate. I believe this has started since his first term as congressman, being a member of the CBAC party list, and all the way to the Senate to today. And I can recall a year ago, Mr. President, this good gentleman stood up on this floor to condemn the corrupt activities of certain individuals who he called the Dracula at that time. The Dracula who steals the blood from the blood bank. And because of that, it had gone viral and many reforms were put in place. No? And many advocates of anti-corruption now know some of the modus operandi being done by politicians, Your Honor, because of this gentleman right here. So I salute his bravery. I salute his steadfast commitment to anti-corruption measures. And again, I'd like to just say congratulations for the record to our dear colleague, Senator Joel Villanueva.
Noted and entered into the records. What is the pleasure of the Honorable Lauren Legarda?
I would like to congratulate, Mr. President, our esteemed former Majority Leader on his unstinting support for anti-corrupt activities in and out of government. But I would like to make an inquiry, Mr. President. I know that awards received by senators are validated by a concurring bicameral resolution. I wanted to ask Your Honor if this is covered by that so that we could appropriately prepare for it in the coming days. Because I recall when I received my award of Cavaliere from the Italian government and the Chevalier from the French governments and the ASEAN Biodiversity Hero Award from ASEAN Biodiversity Award from the ASEAN Center for Biodiversity. I know belatedly the chamber had to propose a resolution for me to complete the process of acceptance. While we congratulate wholeheartedly Senator Joel Villanueva, we would like to know whether this award is covered by that, so that when we are prepared to sponsor it on the floor and get an author in the House of Representatives, we could also shepherd the process, so to speak. If this is not covered, then I leave it at that and congratulate him nevertheless. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Legarda. This award was given only this afternoon, and the chair will instruct, or is instructing, the secretary to kindly make representations with the office of Senator Villanueva to ensure that whatever processes need to be undertaken will and shall be undertaken as may be required by law. Senator Villanueva is recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. I am honored, grateful, and most especially humbled, Mr. President, by this award, but most especially with the accolades given to this representation by our esteemed colleagues, no less than our Senate President, who was my minority leader in the House of Representatives in the past Congresses, Mr. President. Of course, Senator Big Zubiri, our former Senate President, our Senate President Pro Tem, Senator Legarda, and Senator Win Gatchalian, who graced the occasion this afternoon. I sincerely thank all of you, my dear colleagues. And we have with us, Mr. President, the Anti-Corruption Civil Movement General Federation, who gave this award. This is not a government entity, Mr. President, so I think we don't need to pass a resolution in order for this representation to receive the award. But I am again grateful, honored, and most especially humbled by the accolades of our esteemed colleagues. I was about to greet our dear colleague Senator Bato de la Rosa a happy birthday, and I'm really moved and surprised by this gesture. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Villanueva. Senator Bato, we will already greet you, but you are recognized, sir. You may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. President. Pwede pa ba ako mag-support sa...
Surely, you may proceed. You may proceed, Senator De La Rosa.
Nag-respond na si Senator Joel. But anyway, Mr. President, I would like to express my support to the award that is being given to Senator Villanueva. Because alam natin, Mr. President, ako mismo, I consider myself a rookie in this chamber. Pero sa nakita ko kay Senator Joel, ay talaga siya ay maasahan pagdating sa anti-corruption drive. Alam kong sinapuso niya yan, yung anti-corruption na yan. At ito nga, alam mo, sasabi ko, Mr. President, if I'm going to go to war against corruption, wala akong pinakaunang kakausapin ko na samahan ako, kundi si Senator Joel Villanueva, dahil alam ko yung kanyang talagang hindi plastikan, kundi totohanan talaga. He's willing to risk everything just to fight for the cause that he believes worth fighting for. And bihira lang tayo magkakakita ng ganitong klaseng tao. So my hats off to you, Senator Joel Villanueva. Hindi ako nagkakamali na talagang ina-idolize kita. Thank you, Mr. President. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Senator Bato. Duly noted and entered into the records. Session is suspended to afford our colleagues to greet our birthday celebrant for those who have not yet done so. Session is suspended.